This is Bill and Grace Bakis, and our 1-month leave of absence has been approved. We have a lot lined up in this short period of time, and I hope you enjoy our episode. After that hearty breakfast, the next in our agenda is to hike the tallest mountain in Acadia National Park, Cadillac Mountain. From our campsite, we can actually hike all the way there, following the blue blaze.
Summit, 3.5 miles.
All right. Cadillac Mountain South Trail is considered a moderate trail. European settlement on Mount Desert Island began in the 1600s, and soon after, the summit of Cadillac Mountain was used for mapping the coastline. By the late 1800s, Cadillac Mountain was a popular destination for tourists. One of the best reasons to visit Acadia National Park is the sight of sunrise from Cadillac Mountain, the highest peak on the eastern seaboard. Pointed out, Sergeant Mountain, and the precipice is over there, top of that, and right here. All right, so you can see that's the very top right there. So it's just rolling all the way, I think that's how that's gonna go. Not positive, we'll see. Many visitors believe that the 1,532-foot peak on Mount Desert Island offers the first sight of sunrise in the continental United States. They're right, some of the time. For half the year, roughly from the second week in October through the first week of March, Cadillac's height and coastal perch make it the first place in the easternmost state where the sun appears. For most of the rest of the year, Cadillac sunrise is not the first. The honor goes from late March through mid-September to Mars Hill, a 1,748-foot mountain near the Canadian border. That's because in winter, the sun rises farther to the south. Sunrise moves north along the horizon during the winter months. All right, still going up. Bill said that's probably Sergeant, and that's probably Penobscot Mountain. Now that we got a closer view from Cadillac Mountain. Cool. Still going up. All right. Like I said earlier, we are in the South Ridge Trail. Continuing on, and we only need half a mile to go, so we can finish this trail. It says heading back to camp, Blackwood's campground. And we're sitting right here. I made it to the parking lot. About a minute after the sun comes up on Cadillac Mountain, it rises at the peak of Mount Katahdin. That's also the moment Miami Beach sees the first sunrise. All right, going to the Eagles Crag. This way. This being our last full day, we're just soaking it all in. The views, the hike, and the smell of Acadia National Park. Let's go. That was it for the Eagles Crag.
Restoration area. I'm not positive if they know, but I think it's done for. Hoping for tide pools. I should have thrown my other layer. Like the mush on. Dead moss covered tree.
Up on the mountains, it was bright and sunny this morning. Now, it's a little foggy.
Moss is happy with that. I don't want to go home. I'm like glad vacation is done.
In Maine, heavy ground fogs often appear in low-lying inland areas, but occur most frequently along the coast for 25 to 60 days annually. Ship Harbor Trail is a figure-8 trail covering 1.3 miles. It is a great trail for families and birders. Common loons, great blue herons, ospreys, and eagles are just a few that have been seen here. A variety of habitats can be viewed along the shore, and there is access to a quiet cove and mudflats at low tide. Pets are allowed here, but with restrictions. The Ship Harbor Trail is extremely well groomed and is easy to follow as it heads southeast through a beautiful section of forest as it hugs Ship Harbor. As we continue on the trail, as the trail reaches the ocean and its rocky shoreline, Bill and I are in awe in how loud the ocean waves are and how beautiful the pink-colored granite and its yellow moss makes this place so unique from the shorelines we've seen in the past. A good relaxing stop to end our day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you again on our next one.